Yes, sir, and this is another part of the trying to get my old phone to start again, and maybe we can. I don't know. I hope that I haven't used it in like 3 years, so maybe it has some cool apps. It doesn't have TikTok, that's for sure. TikTok was released 2020, I think, and I stopped using that phone 2018 or something. I know, but it definitely doesn't have TikTok. But if it has Musical.ly, I'm gonna be shocked. Then I would be like the only person in the world who still has Musical.ly. So, or Sumerang. Oh, no, I'm not gonna. If I have Sumerang, I'm just gonna kill myself. But I do remember one thing I had. It was trending back in the day. It's Let Me Out game. It's like, I can show you guys later what it is. It's a really fun game. It's like a puzzle game. You have to let a car out, and it's really hard. It's really hard. And by the way, subscribe, because we're actually about to pass Megan almost in subscribers. So if we do that by the end of the year, I'm gonna be shocked. I'm actually gonna be shocked. We're so close. We're 4 subscribers away. Because the Hemsu army has... I'm not talking because it's so embarrassing talking through the phone in public. Oh, there's a man right there. Okay, he left. We're good. So I'm gonna do another video where we're gonna check on the phone. So subscribe to see more. Subscribe and like on the video and comment to get good luck and get a donut.